So in this video, we're going to have a look at some of the buttons in JWEI's JWCAM software. So we're going to have a look at our start button. Now the start button will basically send any job that's in this area here. So once a job is finished, the job will actually stay in here until it's overwritten by the next job. If I was to press start in here, it will send that job that's on the table again using the previous settings. We will always really be sending jobs from OptiScout, but it's great to use if you are doing a repetitive job loads of times. Then we have our pause/resume button. So this will obviously with one click pause the job, and with another click it will resume the job. So this does exactly the same as our yellow button on the front of the table. Then we have our stop button, and this will stop the job. It will lift up the tool and it will turn the suction off. So that is how we will cancel a job. So there's some of our buttons within JWEI's JWCAM software.